Oh.
So.
Why you do this?
Stop, that's like...
You said, hola, bienvenidos a mi esposo's channel, Straight Outta Content. Today we are talking about stretch test, bloom, 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 bloom. Right now we have a stretch test. Stretch test.
Stretch test. Challenge.
Rewind that. Edit, cut, da-da-da. Stretch test challenge. It started with T-shirt Crusades, who made a video.
T-shirt Crusaders.
Crusaders. Just cut this video. Throw it away. T-shirt Crusaders made a review on us. He did a stretch test. We were so nervous.
Yeah, I know.
We were watching it. We were like, ooh. No, we know we have the strongest transfer in the world, but you know, it might be a day that someone might try to cut it behind the scenes and make it seem, I don't know what could happen, but I was like, oh my God, it's stretch. Even though I was telling my husband, I was like, what if it cracks? Like, what happens if it cracks on camera? And then my husband reminded me, Chelly, I had 4 kids pull each end of a shirt and stretch it to the max.
Go check that video out.
He was like, it's not cracking. And I was like, you right about that. So we have a lot of confidence. T-shirt Crusaders, thank you so much. Rochelle's Creation also did a video on us doing a stretch test, so we appreciate that. So we want all of you to do a stretch test and tag us, and we will repost. So we have some of our personal, these are my personal shirts, Carl's personal hoodie, and we wanted to show you some stretch tests as well. This shirt is about, I made this Cinco de Mayo, so about 5 months. 5 months old, so this is once a week getting washed. The front, the same thing. This transfer that I used in May was about 2 years old. This is before we even knew about vectoring images. This is before I knew anything. I was just playing around a little bit with DTF, trying to figure it out. We kept this transfer stored correctly, out of humidity, you know, everything we needed to do so it lasts 2 years. I gave it a press just to kind of see, you know, this was just a workout shirt. So I was like, let me just use the old transfer. This is my Theo George's clothing brand, Killing Every Day. He also has a YouTube. So go ahead and head over to his YouTube and subscribe. Anyhow, this is a 2-year-old transfer. We're gonna do a stretch test on this. 2-year-old transfer.
Show the camera.
Okay, well, I don't want mine. 2 years old. How many washes? Once a week for 5 months. How many weeks are in 5 months? Do that math while I stretch.
I don't know. 4 times 20? 4 times 5 is 20?
20 weeks?
I guess. Yeah.
20 washes? I don't know, but look at this stretch test. I don't know if it's showing it, how close I need to be. Oh, okay, this is good. So this is 2-year-old transfer, 5-month-old shirt. So we're gonna stretch, not cracking.
And we want you guys to do the exact same thing.
I'm gonna stretch the red because that's how you can tell. Oh, this looks really good.
We want you guys to do this exact same stretch test for everything. That's all we're looking for is 60 seconds, no more than 60 seconds of you guys taking your transfer or, you know, already pressed on your shirt or whatever that you purchased from us and making a quick 60-second stretch test video so that we can repost it on our website. No, so we can repost it on our YouTube and show you guys how well, or show other people how strong our product is, because we truly believe it is the strongest transfer in the world.
In the world. Look, oh, I'm stretching so hard and it's still so good. So hard. Let's do the big one.
Okay, show them the stretch. How old is this shirt? Because Chelly wears the Flash Custom Transfer shirts all the time.
Every day.
Worn every day. I don't really wear them on t-shirts. I wear them on hoodies. That's why we got my hoodie. But all my hoodies are upstairs and stuff like that. And I really try to dry clean all the hoodies. But Chelly's the one who actually washes and dries all of these shirts. So I don't know if the camera can actually pick up how like faded, or not really faded because it is a Bella Canvas pink shirt. Or what color is that called?
I don't know.
Not mahogany. What's that called?
Oh, magenta?
Magenta.
Yeah, so the transfer is holding up great. But like Carl mentioned, I do wash and dry my shirts every week because I just throw these on to work. And the shirt is getting,
Right.
a little faded and, just wear and tear of just washing it so much. But the transfer is like new. Let me go ahead and give it a
Shelly's
stretch.
killing it with the transfer stretch right now.
Look at that. Ugh.
So again, like I said in the last shirt, we need everybody out there through Instagram, through Shelly's Facebook, through YouTube comments. I don't know if you can send videos there, but email, send us the video. You okay?
No, I got scared. Yeah, I thought that because the door's right here, I thought the door was open because it was bright light, and I was like, "Oh shit!"
Oh,
but,
you can't cuss
sorry.
on.
You asked me what was wrong.
You can't not cuss. It's so sad. But as you guys can see, guys, it's just indestructible.
Look, my shirt's all stretched out, but the transfer.
Show the back.
What do you mean the back?
See, right there.
Oh, where I'm stretching it, but the transfer is still not.
Yeah.
Still not stretched. So I'm actually just stretching my shirt.
Yeah.
But the transfer is not messing up.
Not at all. So we just want to let you guys know again, please do your videos. We want all you guys out there, and Shelly's going to continue to do stretch tests.
You want me to? Or
Yeah. Keep doing that, and I can talk in the background. Guys, please show us your stretch tests. Please, please, please. We want to really show the world how different we are, because you got a lot of other companies who will sell you a product, who have products that don't come out the box with stretch. Like you have to purchase their stretch product. And I just seen T-Shirt Crusaders do a video on a stretch test of another brand. And he was like, this is their non-stretch test. This is their non-stretch transfer and it still cracked. And then this is their stretch transfer and it cracked in this place. And I forgot how many times he said he washed it, like 40 times or something like that. So we know that we've definitely washed this way more.
Way more.
And it's been, especially this shirt. This is the shirt that was in the famous video where I ran it over with my car. The kids pulled on it and stretched it and, shot it with Nerf guns and wrestled with it and did everything that they could with it. So Shelly's now going to be inappropriate and show you her.
What? How is it inappropriate?
No, I'm being silly.
I don't want to mess up my mic.
Yeah, we don't want to mess up the mic. But guys, as we conclude this video, go make at least no more than 60 seconds so that we can post it in our shorts and stuff like that of all of you out there doing your stretch test. But if you do like a 10-second or 15-second, whatever, just no more than 60 seconds, do your stretch test video. We want you to put our transfers to the test.
Yes.
To the
stretch
test.
test.
Yes. Flash custom transfers. Put our transfers to the test, guys. Kill it. Go do whatever. Come up with different ways. Like, I don't know, like.
Kind of like he did with the kids.
Yeah.
Had the kids stretch it. So, the more creative, the better.
In fact, the best stretch is going to win a reward. I don't know what that, yeah. The best stretch is going to win a reward.
The best stretch video wins a reward?
Yep.
That's cool.
I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe some free sheets, maybe some free merch.
Ooh,
Right?
incentives. Love it.
The best stretch is going to win the reward. And I think I'll do a vertical video, a little short video.
The strongest transfer in the world, guys. We stand on that.
We stand on that.
And we want you guys to really put it to the test. Look, my knuckles are hurting from stretching this so much.
Yep. So that's it, guys. We appreciate all your support out there, man. You guys have been really help supporting our brand. We know that we get on here, we kind of shake up the industry, but you guys definitely show your support. And we appreciate all the big orders, all the people reaching out to do contracts. Again, remember, and I'll let Shelly end it, but remember, if you have an opportunity to get a school contract, if you have an opportunity to get a softball team contract or a sports team contract, remember, get those contracts because you know that we can help you fill those.
For sure. And I just want to do a quick reminder. Don't forget our $15 sheets. Our $15 pre-made sheets right now. Halloween. And for me, Mexicanos, yo tengo todo la sheets cucuys para $15.
$15. And there's
$15.
7 images.
No, 7 sheets.
No, 7 images.
7, oh.
Oh, no, 7 sheets. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. There's 7
There's
different
actually
sheets.
7 images on here too, so I was like, that
there's
even
7 different sheets.
Are you gonna do Spanish segment or am I?
Okay, adios. But thank you guys. We appreciate it.
Gracias para todo.
Viva la raza.